Well, hello. Do you ever get to like 8 PM at night and just feel like you really want to go wild camping? Well, that's exactly what I'm doing today. It's a quick one.
Sometimes you don't need weeks of planning. You just grab your gear and go. Tonight, I'm heading back to the log cabin I built, and there's one job I've been meaning to finish for a while. And if there's time tomorrow, I'm hoping to end the trip with a little bit of fishing.
Oh, and if you didn't know, I'm Greg, by the way. Nice to meet you. And I love to throw myself into the wild.
Well, there we go. Back into the woods. This time though, I wasn't completely alone. A friend was camping nearby, so we had a good catch up, wandered through the woods, and watched an incredible sunset. Then, while exploring, we stumbled across something rather obscure. We had found the remains of a Ree's wing. We guessed it had escaped from somewhere nearby before the local foxes got the better of it. We left it where it was, and I headed back to the cabin for another surprise.
There's bloody loads of them. Oh, wow. Oh. I've never seen this before. This is sick. I think they're peacock butterflies. I genuinely don't know what's going on. I've just lit a little fire, and the amount of butterflies, I just got that going, and every 2 minutes another butterfly comes out. That's so cool. I'm flying around over there. That is bizarre. Anyway, it's obviously dark and I need to get my bed set up, so I'm going to do that now where these butterflies are flying around everywhere. There's loads. Oh gosh, no, not another one. Let's just get rid of that for now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another one there. There's another one here. There's another one just there in front of that. One here. I mean, they are beautiful, beautiful butterflies. What's going on? They must have all hatched in the cabin. Look. I hadn't even seen these two. That one. And that one. One there. There's also a fern going through here, which is cool. That's so cool. The one there. Another one there. Another one. And then 1, 2, 3 there. Another one here. Another one there. Just look at the colours. Oh, wow. Oh, okay.
They really were flying around everywhere, but it was time for me to get this bed sorted.
I've got my bed set up, but there's so many butterflies. Oh, wow. I've got everything I need though. Pillow, sleeping bag, sleeping pad, and eggshell. A little bit extra, but there's just not enough moss here to make the bed comfortable enough like I did in the last video. So this will have to do. I'm gonna get to bed and see if I can get some sleep. Oh, it looks like my alarm's going off. Maybe 5 more minutes in bed actually. So this is an Australian bull roarer. It's basically a bit of wood that you cut down and shave the ends off so it's at a point, and when it spins it makes a sound. So the string spins it round one way, makes one sound, and then it rotates and starts spinning the other way. Quite a cool way of attracting some attention should you need it. I think it's time to get a fire going so we can get some breakfast. Also, there's still loads of butterflies around.
While the fire got going, I thought I'd make a start on the window. The first job was stripping away the old string and cutting a new opening for it to fit properly. After a little bit of trial and error, I managed to reshape the existing pieces of wood to match the new opening, and I also carved a few notches into them to stop the string from slipping. Once the frame was tied together, it was time to fill it in. Before I attached anything, I laid all the pieces out, trimming each one to size where it was needed. Once I was happy with the fit, I tied them all onto the frame. It's funny how experience works. Something that had taken me hours to work out before was done and dusted in a matter of minutes, and the finished result looked much cleaner too. And now it was time to see if it would actually fit. The window wasn't just there to let a little bit more light in, it was also designed to fold down like a little table, giving me somewhere to sit outside and enjoy the view.
I think I need some food. It's 1:45. I haven't had breakfast. Good job. But, got a nice window. Let's have some bacon and pancakes. This looks like some really nice bacon. I've moved the coals a little bit closer to the front so that I don't have to put the pan really far back into the fire. Makes things a lot easier.
Well, it was definitely hot enough to cook on. Even melted my thermometer a little bit.
Alright, it's time to tuck in. When things are cooked on a wood fire, they taste so much better. Oh, can't beat a nice big packet of bacon, can you? 1,500 calories in this or something. Oh, good stuff. I'm gonna finish this off, and then I'm gonna get some clay. I'm gonna fill in some of the holes in that wall that I've made the window for. The other thing I think we'll do today is I think we'll go fishing. See if we can catch some fish. That'll be good fun. This is the nicest bacon I've had in a long time. Delicious. Oh yeah, that's enough of that. I'll bring you back when I'm getting some clay. There's a rather large hole right there. So I'm going to try and fill that up with some clay, which I have here. Window is now a window table, and that log will stay there. And I can put stuff on it. Great success.
There's no real technique to this part. It's pretty much just a case of grabbing handfuls of clay and packing it into all the gaps.
These gaps here are all filled in all the way down, and these ones are filled in all the way across. And there was a really big hole here, but that's now sorted too. I used 2 litres of water to do that, so I've only got a little bit left, and I think that's good enough for today. I can't see any gaps from in here, so that looks pretty good. It's a lot more stable as well, so that's nice. And the window works. Yeah, I think that'll work. It's just a stick in a hole there. At least to stop it falling out while I'm away. It's already gone a little looser, it fell out once and it's a bit wobbly, so I'll redo that. But as for now, let's go back, go fishing. Of course, you guys are going fishing as well. I'm not just going fishing by myself. Well, I am going fishing by myself, but you'll be watching it as well. So you're sort of with me in a future tense, because just now this is last weekend for you, but for me it's now. I'm gonna stop chatting shite. I'll get back in a bit. Always good to get out into nature, isn't it? Have a bit of a laugh, chill out. Oh, just enjoy it. Welcome back. We're out fishing and I hadn't even started filming yet. First cast, and we pulled out a nice little perch. I'll get the hook out, give you guys a better look. Perch are definitely one of my favourite fish to catch. They're such a beautiful colour, and I really like the stripes and how orange they are. Look at them just chilling down there. Such a cool fish. Oh, we've got another one. It's tiny. Look at the size of this one. An absolute whopper. This is all happening rather quickly. Right, let's set you up proper now. Just this little spinner seems to be doing the trick. Another one. This one feels bigger. Yay! Come on! Let's go! Easily out as well. Here we go. A little bit bigger, nothing too special though. I just love the colours on these fish. They're like tigers. So orange as well, wicked. Right, let's see what else we can catch. We might try and catch some different species as well. That's 3 so far, this is going quite well.
It turned out I'd spoken a little too soon. That swim had gone quiet, so I set off in search for another spot, hoping there were still a few more fish willing to bite.
Also, I'd just like to say welcome to the first 500 subscribers. Thanks for joining me. I hope you enjoy the adventures, I hope you enjoy the little building and the log cabin stuff. I've thoroughly been enjoying it. It also now means if you're watching on your phone, you can like, hype and subscribe. I've walked about a mile or so and I've not seen any more fish. I am walking a bit further, although I am absolutely shattered. I did not sleep last night, I'll be honest. I did, I think I got like 3 hours sleep, but it was very on and off. So I'm quite tired now. I would still like to catch a pike for you, so I will tough it out and see how we get on. I think there's going to be a pike just next to this tree. If not, maybe I should go for a swim.
There was, in fact, no pike by that tree, or the next tree, or maybe there was, and I just didn't have the right lure on.
It's been quite a long time, and I think it's time to go big or go home. So I'm gonna go home, actually. I'm just kidding. We're gonna get the big box of lures out. Got some absolute bangers in here. I'll go with this one first. Get that shine. Mind you, you know what they say, lures catch more fishermen than fish, don't they? Come on, let's have one big pike and then we'll go home. Let's see if there's a pike down here. I did come out fishing with my mate, so let's go and see if we can find him and see if he's had any more luck than we have.
And as luck had it, I caught up with him at the perfect moment.
Pike have quite large teeth, and if you don't put your hands in the right place, you can lose a finger. There you go. Sick. Now hold it as close to the camera as possible. Oh, it's fucking massive! And a few seconds later, I've got a little pike. There we go. There we go. Second pike of the season. Happy days. It's so small though. Cheers this little guy. I'm going to get him back in. As I cross this canal, I'm going to call the end to this one, I think. I've had a great little adventure. It was nice to get out nice and quick, do a little camp, do a nice little quick bit of fishing. And what a lovely evening it is. Anyway, catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, hype and subscribe. Oh, that sounds terrible, doesn't it? Anyway, catch you on the next one. See ya.